So what hypothesis representation shall be providing to the learner? Let us begin by considering a simple representation in which each hypothesis consists of conjunction of constraints on the instance attribute. In particular, let each hypothesis be a vector of 6 constraints. So what should be the hypothesis? It is a vector of 6 constraints specifying the values of 6 attributes of sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, warm, and forecast. Okay. So H is a set of constraints on attributes. Clear? So we have the representation this way. A specific value is represented, that is water. Look at this. In the hypothesis, we have the water. We have water, and water values are actually warm or cool, two values. So how we represent a specific value? So a specific value is represented by this water equal to warm. Okay, so next is any value. Any value is represented by this question mark. So question mark, we can use this as a any value. And if we do not want to allow any value, that is phi, null, phi or null. So look at the example, this how we represent the hypothesis. So we have sky, air temperature, humidity, wind, water, and forecast. So this is one hypothesis in which we have particular specific values. So specific values is what for the sky. So sky specific value is sunny. Air temperature can be any value, question mark. So question mark is replaced by any value. Humidity, any value. Wind must be strong. Wind must be strong. Water value can be any. And forecast is same. So there are 3 specific values assigned to the hypothesis. Clear? And 3 any value. So it's just a wild card. Clear? So what actually it correspond to the function like sunny sky and or conjunction, strong wind, conjunction, same forecast. So इस hypothesis का corresponding boolean function ये है. It's a boolean function. So hypothesis space is capital H, which have all the hypotheses. So space, hypothesis space H, capital H represent what? All the possible small h. Clear? So hypothesis satisfaction and instance X satisfy hypothesis H. What is X? X is an attribute. H is a hypothesis. So X is, small x comes from the set capital X and small h is from the hypothesis space. If and only if all the constraint expressed by the H are satisfied by the attribute value in X. For example, this one, X1, look at X1. So X1 have sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, and same. X1. So its hypothesis is H1. and which result what? Satisfied. So x1 is a particular instance and h1 is the hypothesis. Warm value can be replaced by cool also because there is a question mark. तो ये जो इंस्टेंस है x1 वो h1 को सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है. क्लियर? सेकेंड वन, another example, x2, there is another instance x2 in which we have sunny, warm, normal, strong, warm, same, but hypothesis is what? Our hypothesis is what? Sunny, question mark, so it will satisfy anything. Normal, question mark, it will satisfy anything, but here it is strong, but our hypothesis says that it should be null. Okay, it should be phi, no value should be there. Warm satisfied because it is question mark, and same is satisfied. So because of this phi, this the hypothesis is not satisfying. Clear? So if some instance X satisfy all the constraints of hypothesis, then H classify X as a positive example. Okay. Otherwise, it will be treated as negative example. Now, can anyone give any type of hypothesis in which we satisfy all the conditions, which is called as general hypothesis? Write down the general hypothesis. Write down general hypothesis in which all the positive examples are satisfied and every day is the positive example. Yes, Rishabh. Yes, good. So it is all question marks. So we can write this way: the general hypothesis. Question mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these question mark, 6 question mark says what? General hypothesis. That means it is a type of hypothesis in which all the values, all the instances are satisfying. Every day is giving the positive example. So this is general hypothesis. Now guess an example of specific, most specific possible hypothesis in which no day is positive example. Yes. most specific possible hypothesis in which no day is positive example. So most specific hypothesis, guess 6 times pi. Clear? In which it will not satisfy any value. No value is acceptable. Pi is what? No value is acceptable. So it gives no day as a positive example. So to summarize, enjoy sport, concept learning task require learning a set of days for which enjoy sport is equal to yes. So for learning this task of enjoying sports day, we have to find out where enjoy sport equal to yes. So describing this set by the conjunction of constraint over the instance attributes. So in general, concept learning task can be described by the set of instance over which the target function is defined. So what is actually concept learning in this? It is a task. Concept learning task can be described by the set of instances over which target function is defined, and the target function the set of candidate hypotheses considered by the learner, and the set of available training example. So in this formal task description, how this formally described in concept learning, given x all possible days as described by the attributes, a set of hypothesis H, which is hypothesis space, a conjunction of constraint on the attribute represented a function h, h of x, which determine 0 and 1. 0 means no, 1 means yes. So hx equal to 1 if x satisfy h, hx equal to 0 if x does not satisfy h. So we must have these value like x1, x2, x3 up to xn, all the possible set of instances, and we have h1, h2, these are set of hypotheses. So h1 x1 equal to 1 if x1 satisfy h1. That means x satisfy h1, whatever the hypothesis and what is our instance, then it is 1, otherwise it is 0. Clear? So Cx is the concept which you learn on the instance x equal to 1 if and only if enjoy sport equal to yes, and Cx equal to 0 if and only if enjoy sports equal to no. So these are formal tasks. Training set of example is possible instance d equal to, in the angle bracket we write x possible instances, and Cx is the possible concept value, which is either 1 or 0, that is binary value. So the goal of finding the hypothesis H in H such that Hx, which is the hypothesis on instance X, is equal to the concept on the X for all X in D. Okay, so H is a hypothesis, capital H is hypothesis space. Hx is a function applied on the instance X, and Cx is a function applied on the concept learning X. So if they are equal, that means we are getting the same thing after applying the concept of hypothesis, then it is the goal of finding the concept. So this is somewhat theoretical or conceptual things in which you have to find out what should be the hypothesis space and what should be the instances. So I'm just repeating this example so that you can understand the main thing, that concept to be learned we have to find out. On the basis of that we have the some training example, and with the help of this training example we find out the hypothesis and we satisfy that for that on the basis of binary valued. Like this case, day in which Aldo can enjoy the water sports. So enjoy is either yes or no. That value comes depends on the attribute